Welcome to the science of negative thinking. Prepare for a deep dive into the hidden mechanisms of your mind. Why does your mind always imagine the worst outcome, even when nothing is wrong? Why does one negative thought stay longer, feel stronger, and affect you more deeply than 10 positive ones? What if I told you this is not a flaw, but a feature built into your brain for survival, and that same feature is now working against you? Your brain was designed to protect you, not to make you happy. This ancient fundamental wiring is what we call negativity bias. In ancient times, missing a threat could mean death. So your brain evolved to notice danger first, to remember pain more than pleasure, to focus on problems more than peace. And it still exists today. But now, the threats are different. They are not physical. They are mental. Judgment, failure, rejection, and your brain reacts to them the same way. One negative thought rarely stays alone. It multiplies. This phenomenon turns a small concern into internal chaos. You think about one mistake, and suddenly, you remember 10 more. You imagine one problem, and your mind creates 5 more. This is how the brain amplifies negativity. It searches for patterns and connects negative ideas together. So what started as a small thought becomes a heavy mental load. How often do your thoughts spiral out of control? Comment below. Share your experience and connect with others who understand this challenge. Negative thinking does not just stay in your mind, it affects your body. This deep connection between mental and physical state is often overlooked. Your heart rate increases, your muscles tighten, your energy drops, your focus disappears. And over time, it changes how you feel daily. You feel more tired, more anxious, more disconnected, even when nothing is actually wrong. You cannot stop thoughts, but you can change your relationship with them. This is the first step toward regaining control. Notice the thought. Don't become it. Question it. Is this real or imagined? Shift your focus. Bring your attention back to the present, because awareness breaks the loop. This simple realization is a powerful tool to interrupt destructive patterns. And control begins with awareness. Once you are conscious of the bias, you can start to steer your mind. Your mind is not your enemy. It is just doing its job. But now you understand it. And once you understand it, you can guide it. Take control back. Guide your mind toward peace and clarity using the awareness you have gained today. If you found value in understanding the science of your mind, then join our community for more profound insights. Subscribe Mind Exposed.